Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Upasana Taneja, and in this video we have this question. They say there is a room. Suppose you are in a room, okay, and that room has n people. We don't know how many people there are, okay. They say every person shakes hand with every other person. Like if you are six people there, every person will shake hand with every other person, right? Then they say there are totally, now you know there are 105 handshakes in total. So you need to find out that how many people are there, right? We start this question with very simple example. Suppose we have five people in the room, okay? Suppose you have five people in the room, right? So you have five people, okay. So if this person number one, shakes hand, how many times he will shake hand? He will shake hand with him, with him, with him, and with him exactly once. So he will have like four handshakes, right? So this person, now it we come to on second person. This second person will shake hand because he has already shake hand with first person. So he will shake hand with him, and him. So you get four, and then you get three more handshakes, right? Now you come to third person. He has already shaked hand with first two. Now he will shake hand with these two, right? So you got two more handshakes, right? Now this person, fourth one, he will shake hand with only this one because he has already shaked with previous ones. So you got one more handshake. And this last person will not shake hand at all because he has already shaked hand with everybody. Okay. So if there were five people, you got how many handshakes? 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, right? So that means if there are four, you have four. If there are five people, you have four here. If there will be six, you will be having 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. If there will be seven, 1 plus 2 up to so on 6. That means it is one less. So if there are people, if there are n people, total handshakes will be how many? Total handshakes will be equal to what? How many? 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to so on n minus 1. Why 1 less? Because when there are 4, you are adding up to 4. So when there are n, you will add up to n minus 1. And what is the formula for this? There is a formula for this thing. If you have up to n, then the formula is n times n plus 1 by 2, right? But instead of n, you have n minus 1. So you will have n minus 1 times, you add 1 here, you will get n by 2. Now, according to them, how many handshakes were there? 105. According to us, these are handshakes. So we will just put them equal and try to figure out the value of n. Numerator will become n square minus n, and here on the right hand side we will have 200n. That is n square minus n minus 210 is equal to 0, right? And this is equal to what? Now you will just factorize it, okay? So n square minus 15n plus 14n minus 210 equal to 0. Because 15 times 14 you will get 210, okay? So you get n minus 15 minus 14, you take common, plus 14, then you get n minus 15 is equal to 0. So n minus 15 and n plus 14 is equal to 0, and you get n is equal to 15 and minus 14. Can n be negative? No, n cannot be a negative number because n is number of people and number of people are always positive. So our answer is n is equal to 15. When there are 15 people in that room, there will be 105 handshakes, right? So I hope you understood this. If you like it, do subscribe to my channel. And if you like to solve math riddles, you can follow me on Instagram and Facebook, right? Thank you for watching. Bye bye. See you in next video.